In today's video I'm going to show you how to do the quick setup using a USB cable of your HP LaserJet Pro 3003DW printer using a MacBook. So instantly we will start using it. So first step is to connect with the USB cable. So you have to buy it separately, it doesn't come with the printer. At the back of the printer you will see the option to insert it. Other end goes to your MacBook USB slot. Go to the MacBook and open the system preferences. Click on the printers and scanners. On the next screen we have to add the printer, so click on the plus button. It will display LaserJet 3001 to 3008 USB. So select it. Click on the add button. Instantly it will add up the printer, and now we can start using it for printing. For example, if I open a document to print, for example, just open a document and click on the print icon. Select your printer. You can also enable the two-sided printing. Now click on the print icon. Thanks for watching.